Hey, I'm in the DJI store in Manhattan. Yes, New York City on Broadway. And what I'm about to show you is hot, super hot. This is the DJI M600. It's not a four, it's got 6 propellers. This is what they use professionally. Any of the red cameras mount to the bottom. When you buy this drone, you're looking at, you need to get something to record. All this thing does is fly. So what's so cool about this, sir?
So what's so fantastic about the M600 is that it'll actually shoot tons of footage as long as you're actually doing a payload of maximum 45 pounds. Altogether, this drone has a great lift. It's using multi-rotors to actually generate that lift while also running off of 6 batteries. So this drone, of course, unlike any other DJI product, it's a fully manual drone. So none of these little objects here are sensors at all. It takes 6 lithium batteries to power this guy to actually end up doing the payload that it does. For all cinema photographers, for movie production as well. This bad boy over here has been used for movies such as Fast and the Furious, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and many more.
Cool. So each battery controls one
motor altogether.
One motor. That's why you need 6 batteries. How long does the batteries last?
Altogether, you're going to get a flight time of roughly 40 minutes. Depending on what payload that you add on to the bottom of the drone will then determine on how long the drone's going to last. So if you're doing a payload of 45 pounds, you're going to get roughly 5 to 6 minutes. But keep in mind, if you're doing a movie shot, you really don't need more than 6 minutes.
Yeah, you're just shooting a couple minutes here, a couple minutes there. Down at the bottom, they have the 8-rotor Agris MG1, an octocopter. This, so how many pounds?
That one is going to go ahead and carry multi canisters of pesticide. So each canister will be roughly 8 pounds. It can technically hold up to 8 different canisters. So roughly about 80 pounds altogether.
80 pounds. This is what they're using in the agricultural world now to spray their crops as opposed to using a plane